Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have this uber sparkly set of nails today with some encapsulated angel paper as well, using hard glitter gel. And I was also sent a lamp recently for review, so I thought I may as well use that in this tutorial as well and test that out. So this is the lamp I'm going to be testing today. It's from SunUV. It's one of their brand new models, the Sun7. This is a 48 watt LED rechargeable lamp. So once the power bank in this is charged, you are good to go. You don't need to take the plug with you. So maybe good for mobile nail techs, or you just want to move the lamp freely around your nail station. So this is the power cord that I was sent. Now this is a foreign plug, but they did send me a UK adapter with it, so that was really handy. So this came really well packaged in the box, and it's got its own little dust jacket on the inside as well. And it's actually surprisingly light as well, so great if you did want to port this around cordless. And then inside there, I'm just showing you the LED lights. So the power bank already comes inside the lamp when you receive it, and you just need to take that out, and there's just a tiny little piece of plastic across the prongs that you just need to remove. And then once you put that power bank back in, it will start charging once you plug it into the mains. And just FYI, I did film this section on another day, so yeah, continuity error there. So here I am just plugging it in, and then I'll just show you, I did start charging this one, so you can see that it's flashing on the 75%. So I've sort of 3/4 of the way charged this, but once it's up to 100, you can take that power bank with you. You don't need to take the lead, and you can use it as a cordless lamp, which is brilliant. So here I'm showing you that I've unplugged it from the mains, and it works perfectly. So usual timer settings on this lamp, we've got 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then the low heat mode 99 seconds, which is perfect for builder gels. You know, if you get a heat spike, it starts off low and then gradually increases the intensity, so it just lowers the chance of getting any heat spikes. So this also has a motion sensor activation, so once you put your hand in, it'll start counting up the seconds. So say you just wanted to flash cure for 10 seconds, put your hand in for 10 and then pull it out, and it'll just automatically shut off. So another cool thing that you get with this lamp is a light shield. So the lamp is actually open at the back, so if you put this shield on, it's going to reduce the amount of light that's coming out of the lamp. Like, so say you've got gel polish bottles on your table, it's not going to cure those because it's protected. So as you can see, there's the shield like lighting up, and there's not a lot of light coming through there or going across the table, if that makes sense. So I'm using two clear hard gels today. I'm using the Extreme from Light Elegance to sculpt the nails, and I'm using the Cool Gel to encapsulate the nails. So the two hard glitter gels I'm using today are the Elvis Pelvis and Sophia, and this is what they look like in the pots. Ah, this one is just gorgeous. This is like a platinum base with holographic pieces. It's just stunning and super sparkly. And then this is like its rose gold counterpart, exactly the same, but a rose gold base with those holographic pieces. They are just beautiful. So my pinky has an ombre on, and then my ring finger has an ombre with some encapsulated angel paper. So I'm going to show you how to do both of those techniques on the next two nails. So I've prepped my nails which I'll leave a link to my other hard gel video if you wanted to go and check out how I do that in more detail. So I'm just going in with my cleanser, and then I'm just going in with a thin coat of rubber base coat. This is just going to be a nice clear base for my hard gel. And then I just cured that for 30 seconds in the lamp. So I'm going to sculpt clear tips for all of these. So I'm just going in with my sculpting forms. And so I don't knock these offline when my hand goes in the lamp, I am just going to trim the underside of the form. So taking the Clear Extreme and my Light Elegance number 4 oval brush, I'm just going to sculpt a really thin platform for my glitter gel to go over the top. So I just do a very thin slip layer and then just build up a very thin tip. So when I cured this, I did use the 99-second low heat mode to start with, just so I didn't get any heat spikes, which I didn't. And then I did go in with the actual 30-second cure just to make sure it was fully cured. And then when you're removing the form, you want to be really careful because this is super thin, and I've definitely had nails that have just snapped on me because I've done them too thin. So you want to be really careful, make sure you pinch it and release the gel. So exactly the same again on the index finger. So you can work straight on top of these nails now. I'm a control freak and I need to have them all looking the same. So I do actually go in and file and refine these really carefully though, because as I said, these could snap at any time. So it looks like I'm doing it vigorously because it's sped up, but I am doing this really, really gently. So once I've got my shape just how I like it, I'm just going to remove the dust gently with some alcohol. And then I do go in with one more layer of the rubber base. And this is because I'm using glitter gel. I'm not going to put a coloured base underneath. I'm going straight in with the glitter. And this actually helps the glitter to move around. It's really easy to like manipulate on the nail because it is a little bit chunky, which they can be tricky to move around sometimes, but the rubber base just helps it slip around slightly. And I'm actually really loving this new packaging on the hard gel range. Like, how cool is that? Super holographic. So I use the gel polish bling brush for glitters and hard gel colours. So I've got one for each. And this is my glitter one. So here you can see I've got an ombre on them both, but the colours are reversed on each nail. So on the middle finger, I'm going to start with Sophia at the top, fade it down, and then do the Elvis pelvis down the bottom. So when I've put this on, as you can see, it's quite chunky, but it's very opaque, so it will cover the clear nail. And to get right into that cuticle area, you can go in with a dotting tool to make it really precise and get right into those nooks and crannies. And then when I've faded that top part down, I do just flash cure it, go in with the second colour and then do a full cure. So I'm going to cure that now for the full time, and then I'm going in with some angel paper, which I've just cut into shards, and I'll leave links for it in the description box below. So I'm just taking the cool gel and I'm just doing one thin layer, and I'm actually going to set the angel paper into the wet layer, because when it comes to encapsulating, it will be so much easier and the angel paper won't be moving around, it will be set. So this angel paper it's iridescent and it gives off green and pink tones, so it's really pretty over the glitter, I think, and when it catches the light it looks really cool. So that's been set into the wet layer, and I just hope you can see it catching the light there. So I'm going to cure that for the full time, and then I'm going to come back and encapsulate. So the index finger I wanted to look the same as the pinky finger, but in reverse again, so with no angel paper this time, just an ombre. So I'm starting with the Elvis pelvis first at the top, doing exactly the same again, flash curing, and then I'll go in with Sophia at the bottom and then encapsulate that nail. So once those have all been fully cured, you can refine and shape your nails and then remove all your dust with some alcohol. And then I like to go in with my favourite top coat, which you will know what it is if you watch my channel regularly. It's the Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine, and this is the new formulation one, and it's just super shiny. And I love top coating glitter and angel paper. It just changes the nails and looks just super mesmerizing. These are so sparkly. And just to finish these off, I did actually top coat underneath as well, because I used a clear base. The glitter is going to be seen from the underneath as well. So I just top coated those and cured those. So just to summarize on the lamp, I loved using it. I really like the way it looks. It's great with the digital display and the fact that you can recharge this. Now I know there are two models available. There's one with just the mains, or there's one with the rechargeable power bank, and obviously there will be a price difference. Now I do have some money off instructions in the description box below, so go and check that out. I believe to get some money off you just need to send a link of my video to the shop with your order, and then they'll discount some money for you. But as I said, I'll leave all the instructions in the description box below. So I'll leave you with some pictures. If you wanted to see some more pictures, go and check out my Instagram and I'll have that running along the bottom of the screen. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.